Example 2, simplify the expression, the square root of 28f squared over 9. I'm going to write that a little bit bigger. It looks like it may be a little fuzzy. So let me write it like this. Guys, whenever I have a fraction under a radical, I can write this, or I should write this, as the square root of the numerator over the square root of the denominator. Always. Anytime I have a fraction, I can always separate it into two radicals, or two square roots, just like that. Okay, now, you should be saying, wait, Mr. C, that's super easy. Square root of 9 is 3. Done. Okay, that's true. The bottom, that was a very simple one. But now we've got to simplify the top. And we need to break it down into all of its primes. Okay, so 28f squared, that's what we're working on. So I'm going to take 28 first. That's 4 times 7. And then that's 2 times 2. So those are my primes. I've got the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 7. But I also need to take f squared and break that down into f times f, right? So then this is times the square root of f times the square root of f. Now guys, you're going to remember my rule from the earlier problem, from example 1. All I do is look for a pair and they equal the number that's in the square root. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. Look at what happens to the variable. F, right? It's just the thing that's inside. I can't do anything with that. I don't have a pair. So what this means is I've got 2 times f times the square root of 7. And I always write the radical at the back. And I always write a number in front of the variable. So it sort of ordered itself for us. Okay? So I get 2f square root 7 all over 3. Now, just before we move on, because we've got some time here, if that were a 3 instead of a 2, and this is a 3, then those two things would cancel, right? Oh, I don't want to do that. The 3 on the top and the 3 on the bottom would cancel. But I can't cancel anything. I don't have anything on the top that's like anything on the bottom, right? So I can't cancel anything. But if I could, then I would have to do that. I'd have to simplify that fraction. Okay? All right. Good job, folks. Let's look at the next example, example number 3, coming up.